What's up, Electric fan? Welcome back. On today's vlog, we are here on LAESK8 in downtown Long Beach. We're actually late, so we're hoping that they haven't began the ride. Meetup time was 4 p.m. It's 4:25. I think kickstand up is 4:30, so we'll skip the meet and greet part. This bike has been killing my RX left and right. We have yet to throttle race with a juiced Hyper Scorpion. Hopefully someone brings one today. So time will tell. Actually, that's crazy. I made it in time. I thought they would have started, and I thought I would have to do some catching up. But all right. My brakes are just a little bit need some cleaning, but let's see who we have here today. Surrons, RX, Z1s, Onyx. Lots of folks here today, actually. Steed of choice today, our Ariel rider xclass 52 volts. I think I've kind of scuffed the fairing a little bit, putting it in the SUV. All right, cool. We got an iron on from a good guy named Tony. It's a heat press for clothing, and it glows in the dark, he said. Cool guy. Thank you, Tony. Here we go. We got some mini Razor DIY bikes here. Excuse me. Wonder what the specs are on those. So low. Yo, there's about a good amount of groups here today. Well, let's get started. Everyone's got some kind of music. This bike is so torquey. Alright, here's everyone. Here we go, guys. Letting everyone go. Got D-Class, Avington, Super73s, little Razor bikes, Onyx, and the Throttle. Man, these mini Razor bikes. Gotta ask him the specs on these. Yo, mini dirt bikes. That is cool. Very portable. So these Razor bikes don't have pedals at all. But yeah. There's no way you would be able to pedal in such a short bike anyway. I want to try these bikes. It's so fun to be that low. One thing I've done is I added some rubber grips around the fork, where the fork meets the fairing, and now it doesn't really like clank on bumps anymore. You don't really hear clanking now, so that's I should have done that sooner. That looks a lot of fun, man.
Yeah, thanks.
What are you getting out of that? Like range and speed?
You know, not really sure on the range, but it's probably like 15 or 20.
Okay, it's kind of like you barely just made it?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah, there's a 28.
Is it a Razor?
Yeah, that one is. This one's actually just a Chinese pit bike.
Okay.
Yeah, with the brushless system on it. So.
That's awesome, man. It looks like I was saying, like the tinier the bike, the funner it looks.
Yeah.
Because you're so low.
It's super fun.
Yeah, nice. Suspension's doing okay for you guys?
It's doing really great, actually.
Sweet.
The hardtail one, it was...
Forget it, right? Yeah.
Yeah, it was super sketched around like 20, and I was like, oh.
That's cool. Here we go. All right, so maybe the range is maybe 15 to 20 miles, they said. They're still testing it out. All right. What horn is best? Yeah, let's keep it to the clown. Let's keep it clowny. Yes, sir. Cool Z1, man. I like your Z1.
Thank you.
Nice. Got some blue and red accents. So what's the fastest on this thing?
My top speed right now is about 37.8.
Sweet.
And then with the new battery,
Yeah.
coming on Monday,
Yeah.
I'm hoping to hit past 40.
Wow. You're Tony, right?
I am.
Yeah. Tony, you want to do a throttle test?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it. Because this is only 36 miles per hour, but it would be cool to just test it with a different Z1.
Yeah, let's do it right now. Let me just post this. I was live in 5 times.
Oh, you were live?
So I want to post this really quick.
Yeah, you got it, man.
And just do like a straight.
Yeah, just a straight shot, yeah.
Do it.
Oh, hey, I didn't notice. We're going to do a throttle race.
Nice. Let's watch this.
If you want to join. He has a custom, his top speed is like 37 or something.
I guess we go from here.
You,
We have even recorded.
what's that?
I don't know how to record it.
Okay. I'm recording too. Yeah.
Recorded from over there? Very complicated. Yeah. Where do you guys want to stop? Right?
Yeah.
Where's the stopping point at?
The last pink concrete.
That's enough breaking room?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's like 20. We're gonna do a throttle race. But you have to be an eco if you're in an Onyx.
Yeah, this was 21.
Oh really?
21.
Ah dang, forget it. Just go all out on this one. Like just burn us.
No. No pedal, right?
Yeah, just throttle. Alright. So you wanna join in?
And he just has the speed mod on his.
Okay, so just go and then we'll stop where Tony, we'll stop where AJ's at. I mean, you can start braking. Okay, just throttle. Ready? On go, okay? Yeah, on go. Ready, set, go. Oh, I got the Z1. I got the Z1. And I got the Onyx. What? Huh.
That's 750, right?
It's 1,000.
1,000?
Yeah.
It's only 500.
Oh, jeez. Okay. Oh.
Wasn't that far behind?
No, not at all. But you'll probably kill me in the top end. Because you said 37, right?
7.8.
Yeah.
What's the top?
36.
No wonder, I mean, it's 1 mile an hour, 2 miles an hour. Wonder which one's actually high.
Yeah. Go all out on this one. I just want to see how much toast you... I just want to see how you toast us.
Oh. I was just like,
Do you want to or no? You don't have to. I just want to see what the Onyx like. Yeah, you're in this too. Okay. So, you guys want to stop at the second to the last pink?
okay.
Yeah, okay. All right, on go, guys. Wait, everyone's pedal? Oh, I'm going to pedal too then. I'm against Onyxes and scooters. All right, on go. Ready, set, go. Come on, pedal. I'm still actually ahead? What? Oh, that was it. Wow. I think you got that. What? Onyx, what happened? Dean, you went all out, right?
Yeah.
What happened? I was expecting the Onyx to just like...
So you know why? Because it's heavy, right?
Really?
Yeah, because it's like double the weight on it.
But
This is 145.
But I still thought you would like be...
I know, yeah.
What?
You got good acceleration. Yeah, that has a lot more.
Yeah. That's crazy. But you were definitely gaining, right? Obviously.
Yeah.
Like, okay, got it.
Yeah, if there was more, like more.
Yeah. Oh, for sure. Yeah, that was just a quick. Well, I think I got second in that one. The scooter took that one, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow, this AR is just fast. You wanna give it a try?
Yeah.
Can I check yours out?
Yeah.
All right, cool. So, yeah, that's your thumb throttle. Yeah.
Check the brakes. It's practical brakes for motorbike. So right is rear.
Oh, okay. Oh, this is comfy seat, man.
Oh yeah, it's
Yeah. Is it the guy from El Monte? Oh, okay. So, yeah, okay. Yeah, that guy makes a lot of good seats.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, I love the feel of this. Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's the RX seat. Oh, this is light, Tony. Like, this is really light. What is the total? Do you know?
Weight-wise, I don't know. I haven't.
65.
That's with a big battery.
Yeah. 65. I'm good at weights. Like, I'm pretty down. It's a 65 pounder. We're not going to miss anything. Z1. Yeah, Z1 bikes are like, you're low to the ground too, so it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. I didn't even, for a 500 watt e-bike, this is awesome. Ooh, I like the sound of the motor. Z1. Who's that? Is that CJ? Oh, what's up, CJ? No, this is Tony's. I have the Ariel rider today. I just wanted to try Tony's the Z1.
Hey, that's sick, right?
Did you just get here?
No, I got here like right before we took off from.
Oh.
Like 2 minutes before they so like let's go. I was like, all right.
Yeah. I toasted Dean's Onyx.
What?
I toasted Dean's Onyx
Oh,
with the Ariel. What the heck?
How's that?
I don't know. But he was catching up. Like, it was in a short version we'll get him, but yeah, there's no way. Let's roll. All right, that was good. Oh, how'd you do your headlights too? That's sick.
Oh.
You customed it. You definitely opened it. Yeah.
I'll show you later what I can do.
Was it hard? Okay, nice. Yeah, I like it.
I'll show you. I have Amber, DIL.
Oh, then you can pretty much do signals if you want. Yeah. Nice. All right, folks. Well, that's some more throttle testing on this beast of a bike. This speed. Fastest bike I know at 2K. So I'm really happy that I have one. Super73 needs to do something about their firmware, and they need to do something fast because this bike is just creeping up on them in terms of top speed, torque, and just value. This is crazy. So far, this bike is just killing other e-bikes right now. Art just told me that the black one, as of now, is sold out. And then the blue and the red for the Ariel rider, xclass 52 volts, is still on back order. So that's good. I mean, good thing for Ariel rider. It's nice to see it sell out here and there, and I'm really glad I got the black one, because among our other bikes, we have other colors. The black one works. The black one fits just nice in our collection.
Years ago, people were driving those little motorized ones, but nowhere near the speed.
Actually, I'm gonna try to monitor the time today. I gotta dip out by 7 p.m. because we're gonna have Korean barbecue with my cousin, just for his birthday. And we're confident enough to start eating out in the restaurant. It's funny, the last time I always talk about the same thing, I was exactly in this street here. I remember, yeah. What a coincidence. Last time I talked about Korean barbecue was exactly here. Hilarious. Ka-chow. Do they have cone sessions? They do have cone sessions. Awesome, awesome. All right, folks, that's the half of the ride. Kindly like and subscribe for more content. Check out the useful links in the description below for additional discounts on your Ariel rider or Super73 or your Bafang motor. These are the top 3 e-bikes that I really recommend at this time, and I've tried quite a few. So yeah, check out the useful links in the description below. This is Julian signing out. See you guys next time. Peace.